Hello children, welcome to DAV Sri Vishnu Vidyaniketan online classes. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, that is osmosis. In this module we are going to know the activity to prove osmosis. Experiment to demonstrate osmosis is very simple and interesting topic. Let us move to know what is osmosis. The movement of water means solvent. Water molecules from low concentration point to high concentration point through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. This transportation not required energy. So let us see experimentally how we have to prove this. For this, materials required: hydrochloric acid, 2 beakers, 1 cloth piece, 2 raw eggs, spoon, a strip of paper and salt. So now take 2 beakers and prepare dilute hydrochloric acid in both beakers. To diluting this hydrochloric acid, we have to take water in 2 beakers and gradually we have to add some drops of concentration hydrochloric acid for both beakers. Now these 2 beakers having diluted hydrochloric acid. Now take 2 raw eggs and insert in these beakers. Add 1 in beaker 1 and add another egg to beaker 2. Keep these raw eggs in dilute HCl for 4 to 5 hours. We have to wait. See, immediately it start rising bubbles. So why these bubbles are coming out of these eggs? Eggshell is made up of calcium carbonate. It reacts with acid to form calcium chloride and gives out carbon dioxide gas. So children, these bubblets is nothing but carbon dioxide gas. This chemical reaction gives rise to disappear of the layer or shell around the egg. After 4 or 5 hours, the total shell will be disappear. Now take the eggs from the beaker gradually by using a spoon. Insert into normal water and rise enough. Take a cloth piece and wipe the eggs gently because this eggs doesn't contain any layer and they become so sensitive right now. The egg will containing a very slender layer around that, which is known as semi-permeable membrane or plasma membrane. Wipe the egg carefully. After that, we have to take a paper strip and measure both of eggs like this. Then take a pen and mark the measuring. Repeat the activity with the next egg too. Both are containing same measurements. Now take 2 beakers, take some water and beaker 1 we have to insert salt. Normal salt we are using in kitchen, that salt we are using. By adding the salt, the water concentration is increasing. The concentrated salt solution, hypertonic solution, and fresh water is hypotonic solution. Place one egg in salt water while another one in fresh water or tap water. So we inserted these eggs in hypertonic and hypotonic situations. Let these eggs stay in these beakers for 5 hours. After 5 hours, the observation will be like this. The egg placed in salt water, it will shrinks. The egg placed in tap water, it will swells. What is the reason behind this? Carefully take out the eggs from beakers and measure their circumference with the same strip of paper. Take the strip and place the egg which we inserted in salt solution and measure it. Let us see what is the measurement. It is decreased. The size of egg placed in salt water is decreased because of osmosis. Next, take another egg we placed in normal water. The size of egg placed in tap water increased. Let us see. Albumin present inside the egg is lower concentration, which we kept in salt water. It is higher concentration. Then the molecules will transfer to higher concentration to lower concentration. Here inside the egg, the liquid content will running out of the layer. That's what the egg is shrinks. Size is decreased and water level is also increased outside. Whereas the egg placed in fresh water, the albumin is about high concentration than the fresh water. The fresh water concentration is lower. So the water running inside from the layer. That's what the size is increased. So it is known as exoosmosis and endoosmosis. Water enters the root through osmosis. When we are taking plant, the root system containing small hair-like projections, which is known as root hair, and the root hair is supposed to act like plasma membrane, and the water molecules, it will travel through it by osmotic process, transfers to lower concentration to higher concentration. So children, I hope you understand this module. In our next topic, we will meet with another interesting experiment. Until then, keep learning, keep getting knowledge. Thank you, children.